In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple chocolate banana and peanut butter weight gaining smoothie that will increase your energy levels, load you up with high levels of vitamins and minerals to sustain your energy while helping you to gain weight if trying to bulk up. I will explain the health benefits of having this smoothie as part of a regular diet. I will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy smoothie consists of only 6 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 banana, frozen or unfrozen, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of low-fat Greek yogurt, 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder, half a cup of low-fat milk and a glass of water. Once you have all the items gathered, place in a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This super simple and healthy smoothie is packed with lots of nutrients and is perfect for sustained energy levels to help you go about your day, while also giving the added benefit of allowing you to add weight if you're trying to build muscle. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised with how good it tastes. It will get your day off to the perfect start. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. And again, as always, if you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.